Welcome to the future. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a tool transforming our lives. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools for 2025 that can boost your productivity, spark creativity, and make your life easier. Let's get started. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up is ChatGPT. It's like having a personal assistant that's always ready to help. Need ideas, write emails, or solve a problem? Just ask ChatGPT. The 2025 version is smarter than ever, offering real-time conversations and app integrations to make your life even simpler. Pro tip, automate daily tasks with ChatGPT to save time every week. Tool number 2, Pictory. Next is Pictory, perfect for video creators. It turns scripts into professional videos effortlessly. You write, and Pictory handles everything: editing, voiceovers, and transitions. Whether you're a YouTuber or need polished presentations, this tool is a must-have in 2025. Pro tip, pair Pictory with ChatGPT to streamline your content creation process. Tool number 3, MidJourney. For creativity, check out MidJourney. This AI turns your ideas into stunning art. Whether it's logos or fantasy designs, just describe it, and MidJourney makes it real. No design skills needed. Pro tip, use it for personal projects or to enhance your business branding. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Stay productive with Notion AI. It organizes tasks, summarizes notes, and helps you plan like a pro. In 2025, it's even more collaborative and efficient. Pro tip, create templates with Notion AI to save time on repetitive tasks. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs. Finally, we have ElevenLabs for voiceovers. This AI generates natural-sounding voices for videos, podcasts, or audiobooks. Want a series with unique voices? ElevenLabs makes it happen. Pro tip, combine ElevenLabs with Pictory for next-level video production. And that's it, 5 AI tools to take your 2025 to the next level. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tips and tools. See you in the next video.